Hi, how you doing? This is Syed from affiliateship.com, and in this video we're going to go through some tips on increasing your chances on getting improvement affiliate networks and programs. Okay, you'll find that when applying to various affiliate programs, many will have an approval process which you have to go through. Basically, you have to apply to the affiliate program, the affiliate network, and usually fill in an online application. These measures are put in place to ensure that they attract the right affiliates who will be best fit for marketing their products and services. It's also important for the affiliate program owners and managers to make sure they're not accepting fraudsters who use it to market affiliate offers unethically and a fraudulent way. All these bad activities causes a negative impact on the affiliate program, the affiliate networks, and their relationship with the product owners. It's simply bad for business. That's why many affiliate programs have some specific criteria and requirements in place to filter out these offending affiliates and practices. Before you even think about applying to an affiliate program that requires approval, you should make sure that you follow simple yet essential good practice in affiliate marketing so that you have the best chance of success. Okay, so with that said, let's take a look at some of the minimum things that you need to do before you apply to an affiliate network or affiliate program that requires approval. So first of all, make sure that your website is genuine, legal, helpful, useful, and contains real content of value. Okay, it should not look spammy and overloaded with affiliate banners and ads with little content. It should also look like a functional website with all the fundamental elements that are included in a typical website, such as your terms and conditions, about page, contact page, etc. Make sure your website contains no offensive or hate content or even minor swear words. Make sure that your website does not have anything to do with engaging in black hat marketing. Black hat marketing is basically unethical ways of marketing products. Okay, have a strategy and marketing plan on your affiliate business and how you intend to promote affiliate offers, because you will most likely be asked about this. For example, do you intend to promote through content, blog, email, paid advertising, etc.? What are your daily ad spend budget would be? Okay, so when communicating with affiliate managers of the programs and networks, be nice and polite to them. Do not be arrogant or rude, even if you get rejected. So being nice and polite to people should be standard for everyone, right? And every time we communicate and interact with people in our lives. So here's some ideas on what to say when you're applying to affiliate networks that have a field to include your message and reasons for applying. So first of all, introduce yourself, say who you are, and mention that you'd like to obviously apply for the X wherever offer is. Mention your intended promotional methods like we discussed. Mention your marketing budget that you plan to spend on. This shows that you're serious because you're prepared to invest in your business, in your marketing. Mention that your website and your contact details show enthusiasm and excitement in your communications. All your message should be in polite tone and wording. Don't worry about following a script. Just write in your own words, be yourself, and make sure your grammar is good enough for your message to be understood. So if you get rejected for whatever reason, there's no harm in contacting the affiliate program owner or manager, and ask for some feedback, and more importantly, what you need to do in order to get approved, and show that you're keen and excited to promote the program. Even after all your efforts and appeals, if you still get rejected, there's obviously nothing you can do. It's their choice. In these circumstances, just simply move on and find another similar product and affiliate program you can apply for. Another important reason for rejecting could be due to little or no experience from you as an affiliate. If that is the case, then you can go for many programs that do not require approval, especially thousands of clickback products. And if you can build up some good experience and income promoting these offers using ethical marketing methods, then you now have built up a good track record. You can then contact the affiliate manager of the program you got rejected and explain to them that you have some good experience now of promoting affiliate products. Show perhaps that you have some proof and enthusiasm for in your communications when you're interacting with them, and then simply ask them to reconsider your application. So remember, the key takeaway here is that you should your affiliate business operations in a genuine, ethical way and follow all the right procedures, guidelines, and good practices of affiliate marketing in everything you do. So when affiliate networks see that you're doing things in the right way and following the rule books, then you never know, it could well work out for you and you get accepted. Okay, so good luck and all the best. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment.